Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a recurring meeting. You need to make sure you're in the Norfolk Public Schools Zoom website. And then you're going to click on sign in and then type in your NPS email and password. Once you're in, you're going to click on schedule a meeting. You can click this button or you can click on this link up here. Name your meeting. So let's say a math class. And then choose the date. So I'm going to choose tomorrow, let's say at 9 a.m. Make sure to select AM. And then since it's a recurring meeting, you're going to click on recurring. So clicking on recurring meeting will show you these options. You're going to click on this and make it weekly. Then select the days, Monday through Friday. You can end the date through June if you like. Okay, so make sure that this is clicked. And then you can click save. After saving your meeting, it will only show you 50 occurrences maximum. So, which means at any point before March 15, you will have to go back in to edit your meeting information so that you can extend it through June or the last day of June. So the next thing you need to do is to copy the invitation. And like I said, it will only show you 50 occurrences. And then all the way down, you just click copy, meeting invitation, and then paste this to your email. That's it.